Steering is one of the most important parts of your driving experience, especially in a heavy-duty pickup. Worn-out steering components can cause a loose feeling and even excessive play in the steering wheel. The XDP Stock Plus Power Steering Gearbox delivers 100% brand new performance to restore tight, responsive steering in your truck. Inside the box, you'll find the brand new Stock Plus Steering Gearbox, ready to bolt in. A new pitman arm nut is included, and in some applications, it's a one-time use part, so it's a good idea to install the new one. An inspection report is also provided, confirming it's passed all functionality tests. Unlike remanufactured units, the Stock Plus Gearbox is built entirely from new components. Each unit is made as a direct fit replacement for your specific application, whether it's a Ford Super Duty, GM Silverado, Sierra HD, or a Dodge Ram. Before shipping, every gearbox is fully tested for input torque, max effort, returnability, backlash, total turns, and is tested to ensure leak-free operation out of the box. There's no core charge, meaning there's no hassle of boxing up and sending back your old steering gearbox. Like all XDP products, every unit is backed by a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty. To find out more and get one for your truck, head on over to xdp.com or contact the local dealer near you.